Actionable usable ideas on how to stop snore no more. Snoring is perceived to be any sorts of resonant sound that emanates by breathing when you sleep, which is quite standard to most people believes. The core of snore is where the mouth and nose pathways meet. This is the issue where breathing while asleep causes vibration sound, aka snoring. If you want more advice on how to stop snoring, please subscribe my channel. More lookbook videos are coming very soon. If you seriously want to know how to stop snoring and avoid sleep apnea, then please click the link in the description below. In case you assume that you're the only one who snore and don't know how to stop snoring no more in the entire universe, you're totally incorrect. Reports demonstrated that pretty much everybody go through snoring from time to time, and some people do snore significantly, and this could be because of various challenges. Reports also demonstrated that not only males snores but also females and even house animals, and the great news here is that healing snoring isn't really such a big challenge once you realize why you precisely snore. It's quite simple to stop it. The reason why men and women essentially snore. 1. Your allergies often have an impact on snoring, also allergy medications. 2. Illness such as cold and influenza also cause labored breathing. 3. Tissue scarring by surgical treatment on the nose passage. 4. Cigarette smoking, alcoholic beverages and drugs, since it lead to muscle relaxation. 5. Oversized tongue. 6. Getting out of shape of overweight, which often leads to thickness of the neck and soft tissues. 7. Irregular sleeping schedule. 8. Getting old. 8 simple steps that you should practice tonight. 1. Just before going to sleep, don't smoke, take alcohol drinks, tranquilizers, sleeping drugs or antihistamines, as they result in the muscles to relax, restricting the air passageway. 2. Stay away from dairy products as they can result in the mucus buildup just before sleeping. 3. Stay away from sleeping on the back again, and sleeping on the side can stop snoring. If you think that you can't do this, since actually it's hard to manipulate exactly how you sleep while sleeping, take into account the tennis ball technique. Easily hold a tennis ball in the back of your shirt, which often will keep you sleeping in your side. 4. Take a teaspoon of honey before sleeping, and try out following a normal sleep schedule. 5. Consider eating healthy and balanced meals in the future to avoid getting out of shape, and also stay away from eating significant foods, as full stomach will push up on the diaphragm and restrict the breathing passing ways. 6. Sleeping on the more solid bed sheets, as gentle bed sheets leads to the throat muscle to relax, making the air passageways narrow. 7. Think about contacting the medication retailers for advice. 8. Think about utilizing anti-snoring nose spray. If you can't figure out how to yourself stop snoring, I recommend you keep in mind that those tips will help you reduce snoring, not eliminate it totally. If you want to find out how exactly to stop snoring totally using natural ingredients, take a look at my articles. Click the link in the description below. If you like the video, then give the thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more information. I love you as I love myself. Thanks for watching, have a nice day.